Hi, I'm Mr. Oh Ming Yeo. Okay, after discussing about Newton's second law, let us consider a question in 101 Physics MCQ for O level, which is this book written by Mr. Tan Peng Yong. Okay, let's look at page 18, question 9. Okay, a box of mass 2 kg is being pushed horizontally on a rough surface by a 10 Newton force. This kind of question, I would recommend that we draw the diagram. So this will be a mass of 2 kg on a rough surface acted by a 10 Newton force. Okay, given that the frictional force is 4 Newton and there is an opposing force of 14 Newton as shown. So opposing force of 14 Newton. What is the acceleration of the box? Okay, with this we can use the formula. Resultant force is equal to ma, and we can modify this formula such that it becomes applied force minus friction is equal to ma. Applied force will be the combination of the forces applied on the mass, which is 10 Newton and the 14 Newton force. So this will be 14 minus 10 minus away the friction, which is 4 Newton, is equal to the mass, which is 2 multiplied by acceleration. So the applied force in this case is 4 minus 4 is equal to 2a. Okay, this is quite interesting. We find that the applied force is actually equal to the friction, and that means that the resultant force will be 0 equal to 2a, and a is equal to 0 meter per second squared. Okay, let's go back to the Newton's second law. Newton's second law states that when there's a resultant force acting on a mass, the mass will accelerate. So in this case, there is no resultant force because the applied force cancels out the friction totally, such that the resultant force is 0, hence the mass is not accelerating.